Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. I purchased this Sweet Sweat waist trimmer because I want to lose weight. It is for women and men. It says it includes the Sweet Sweat sample and mesh bag. The size is a large, 46 length times 9 width. The color is black and pink, and the material is neoprene. I'm just going to go ahead and read what is on the back of the package. It says, Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer is contoured to fit comfortably around your waist during exercise while allowing enough flexibility for core and high intensity interval training. I have never tried this brand before. I heard a lot of good reviews about it. I'm not getting paid any way, shape, or form from this review. These are things that I just try to do on my channel because I know that it's very helpful to others. No one really shares the truth about things. So I'm going to be trying out this Sweet Sweat waist trimmer, and I am going to tell you guys everything about it that I like, if it works, what works well with it, what exercises you can do. I'm just here to try to help you guys so we can work together and lose this weight with each other. I want to talk to you guys about these other waist trimmers that I have. These are from Gold's Gym. I think this is for my stomach. It should be because it's pretty big. I have 2 of these and I think they're the same size, but also I had some for my thighs and my arms. A couple years back when I was losing weight, I used to wear these and they really helped a lot. With my weight loss smoothie video, a lot of you guys continue to ask me questions about if I lost weight, does the smoothie work, can you do this, can you do that. I did like at least 2 to 3 videos on that topic already, and I answered the questions, and I still get comments, which is, I don't mind like getting the comments. I just wanted to re-explain in this video that I already answered those questions. Now, we all know with weight loss, it doesn't really go in our favor. That's why I don't really like to make commitments on this channel, because I don't want anyone expecting me to come with these results. I am human and I will backslide into snacking and enjoying the things that I like. It was one point of time back in like 2014 or 2015, I lost about 30 pounds. Whenever I was exercising, I didn't think that I was really losing weight like that, but everyone else that saw me and knew me said I looked amazing. So I'm trying to get back into that. It's always a little bit more challenging for me to get up and be motivated to lose weight because I have plantar fasciitis, and they had to actually give me a cortisone shot in my right heel a few years ago. So I have to wear this big old boot a lot to deal with the plantar fasciitis. Also, I have 2 of these. This is horrible. I have 2 of these night splints that I'm supposed to wear every day in order to stretch my foot. I feel like I might have worked out the wrong way, and it caused me to have plantar fasciitis, which I did not know that that would happen in the long run if you're not stretching properly before exercise. And this is what can happen. On top of all of that, I have this knee brace because a while back I tore my ACL in my left knee. Now that I'm getting older, I can feel all sorts of pain. Like I can't even sit down on the floor and cross my legs. I have to wear this knee brace all the time. I actually also have an ankle brace too. I don't know where it's at. When I want to exercise and when I'm really motivated to, these things remind me that I cannot exercise or go hard as I would like to. So now I have to kind of settle for senior citizenship exercises. And I hate it so much. We're gonna go ahead and try this Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. I really hope this works. Like I said, I've seen some great reviews on this belt, and I'm gonna take it out the package and show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if I should work out downstairs. It doesn't have that good light, and my camera is set up in my room, so I don't really know where I want to go to work out, but we'll figure that out. And oh, I did not know that this was in here the first time. Wow. Includes Sweet Sweat sample and mesh bag. I didn't know. I thought they were talking about the belt. I did not know that this was in there. Sweet Sweat workout enhancer. So this enhances your sweat.
So directions, it says, before exercise, apply an ample amount of Sweet Sweat topical gel to the skin, coating all desired areas without rubbing in. Sweet Sweat is activated by your elevated heart rate and works best during cardio, circuit, and high intensity interval training.
This is the Sweet Sweat wash bag. It's a little mesh bag that comes with your waist trimmer. And it says wash cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, hang dry, no heat. I might have to stand up for this part so you guys can see it better. All right, so I'm just gonna wrap it around me, but this is the Sweet Sweat belt, and then it has like a drop of sweat, I'm guessing that's supposed to be. So it's a little big for me. I got a large thinking that I needed it when I probably could have passed for a medium. Alright, y'all, I can't do it. I try to put on a 30-minute workout that I can do and show y'all, but baby, after the first about 11 minutes and 30 seconds, I couldn't do it. I'm so out of shape. On top of that, that palm workout, I couldn't do it. The other day, I tried to open my window and I had to use my palm to push. And no, ain't no way. I want to see if this really had me sweating, but that might be a little over PG-13, the way my stomach is set up. So I'm gonna have to see that off camera and then come back and show y'all what that looked like. We're gonna see if this belt lives up to its name. Okay, so here we go. Again, my stomach is not the best, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get it right. Okay, this is what the belt's looking like. All right, this is the belt. So it works. It definitely works. Look at that. As y'all can see, the waist trimmer works. A lot of sweat was on the waist trimmer, so it gets a thumbs up. And that was the first time use. I have never used this waist trimmer a day in my life. Today was the first day. I wanted to share with you guys the first day results. So I am super happy that it works. I still feel the sweat dripping down my back. So if you guys want to look for a good waist trimmer, I feel like you should definitely go that route. If you guys are getting motivated from this video, give it a thumbs up. If it helped you or inspired you to want to start working out again, or if this would be your first time working out, definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys aren't already. Make sure your bell notifications is turned on so you don't miss when I post my next video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.